As many of you are still working on OSHA logs, I figured I'd answer a question we get often. One of the most common questions we get from our clients has to do with multiple locations and offices. What I want you to know is that the electronic reporting requirements are based on the size of the establishment, not the entire firm. The OSHA injury and illness records are to be maintained at the establishment level. An establishment is defined as a single physical location where business is conducted or where services or industrial operations are performed. A firm may be comprised of one or more establishments. You could also view the firm as the corporate office of several other offices or establishments that are scattered about. To determine if you need to provide OSHA with the required data for an establishment, you need to determine the establishment's peak employment during the last calendar year. Each individual employed in the establishment at any time during the calendar year counts as one employee, including full-time, part-time, seasonal, and temporary workers. OSHA cares about the individual establishments because they can more easily determine employee hazards at a particular location, and the data submitted from these establishments helps them more closely determine the emphasis programs they create for certain areas and industries. I hope that makes sense. If not, you can always reach out to us at info@summitsafetygroup.com. And with that, I'm Jake Wolfenden with Summit Safety Group, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Have an awesome day.